Hello guys and gals, welcome to a first episode of my new season. This is a calculator Texas Instruments tutorial, and if you have a Ti-83 or Ti-84 calculator, you should be able to follow along with my tutorials. So, the first thing you guys need to do to program is you need to press the program button. Very simple. I have a bunch of programs, you might not have any, but I have a lot, so that really doesn't matter. We're just going to scroll over to new by using those arrows, and we're going to click enter. Give it any name. It's already an alpha lock, so you just give it any name. I'll give it BAC. It doesn't really matter what name you give it, as long as it's a good name. And with the name policy, it has to be less than 8 characters, and the first number or letter cannot be a number because of naming purposes for some reason. Alright, so in order to program, you need to press this program button again when you're in the program editor, and it gives you a new list. If, then, input, prompt, display, all of those. We're going to click display. So we're going to go to I/O, that stands for input/output, and we're going to scroll down to number 3, which is display, disp, click enter. And it says disp. Now you have successfully programmed something into your program editor. The next thing you need to do is give it quotes. Oops, my bad, that's a W. Quotes. And you're going to say whatever you want. I'm just going to say hi. Hi. And then you're going to give it closing quotes. In order to put it in alpha lock, you click second A lock right there. It's just alpha, and it puts it in alpha lock for you. And then the quotes, just in case you're wondering, they're down there and the plus sign in alpha. So you just stay in alpha lock the whole time. And then you click enter. It gives you a new line, but we're not going to worry about that yet. So you're going to click second mode, which is quit, and it exits the program editor, brings you back to the main screen, and you're going to click program, and you're going to get the list, or yours might be the first one, which mine is. So I'm going to click program back, and it brings it to the home screen. You're going to click enter. It says hi, and then it says done. So basically what you programmed it to display hi. And then I will teach you how to get rid of that later in this video. So when you want to do this to someone, like you program and then you click here, press enter, and then it says hi. They're like, oh, that's pretty cool. Well, it kind of looks nasty right now, doesn't it? It says program back and done. They don't even notice that hi really appeared. So, in order to get rid of the done and the program back, I will show you right now. So you click the program button. Now this time you scroll over to edit. By the way, if you're wondering, exec, that stands for execute a program. Basically mean make a program run. So you're going to scroll over to edit, go over to your program, click enter, and now you're back in your program editor. It spawns you at the first line of your program editor, and what you just need to do is click the down arrow. In order to insert a line, usually you just need to press enter and it gives you new lines, but in order to insert a line, you go to the place where you want to insert it. You go to the first letter of the line below it, which is the D, and I click second ints, which is second del, which means ints. Delete, that stands for delete, by the way. Click enter, and it enters the line. So then you want to scroll up and type in whatever you want. So let's type in, we're going to click on program, scroll over to input output, scroll down to number 8, which is clear home. That stands for clear the home screen. And that's basically going to get rid of the program back. And then in order to delete a line, you just want to click delete, and that deletes the whole line. If you have letters and numbers, it just deletes the character. So now, in order to get rid of the done, you just need to put open quotes. So alpha plus open quotes. There. That's it. So you have successfully created an awesome looking program. So click second mode, which is quit. Click enter. And if you haven't entered anything in before you programmed this, then you'll be able to press enter and it'll reprogram itself. Hi. There. Now it just says hi with no program back or display or done. So you guys have successfully created your first program. I am making this video 5 minutes so that it's nice and short so that you guys can program very quickly. And from here on, you guys are just going to progress like the human population of this world. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.